I'm trying so hard. Help me, Mimi, please.
Arm up?
Oh, oh,
Almost.
oh.
His arm's behind him. You can't.
Get it up over his
I
head.
did.
Maybe if we put him against the thing.
Now do it.
Oh, oh, yeah!
Push.
Almost. Keep going.
Come on. Roll over. Here's biscuit. Come on, look at that face.
He's hard work. I'm tired.
Built the location sensor into Dr. Hardy's cell.
Yeah, my belly stops me too. Go.
Good boy! You did it!
He's going, Mia.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. No, he's too big. You're such a big boy. You did it. You did it all by yourself. Yay. All done. Time for dinner.